covenant called the Palestinian covenant, in which God promises them a restoration to the land and the occupation of the original grant of that land. And then along comes the Davidic covenant in 2 Samuel chapter 7, and they are promised a kingdom and a glorious king out of the loins of David. They were also promised a new covenant, Jeremiah 31, where the whole nation would be blessed, the whole nation would become righteous, the whole nation would know God. They also were told by the prophets that the kingdom would be glorious. A lion would lie down with a lamb, and children could play in a snake pit, and the whole topography of the planet would be changed, and the Lord would create a river flowing from Jerusalem out to make the desert blossom like a rose. They had all kinds of things in the Old Testament to look to, that there would come the prevailing peace and joy and comfort, the absence of poverty, the absence of sickness, long life. If you die at 100 years, the prophet said you die as a baby. They knew all of that. They knew that the kingdom would be...
End of section 2, and the last two have to go more quickly. Verse 10 is the third section. So maybe I didn't summarize. Verses 6 to 9, lion lying down with the lamb, and the earth filled with the knowledge of the Lord as the waters cover the sea, is a description of the new heavens and the new earth in the making, in their millennial expression.
We picture nations as what? The Russian bear, the American eagle, the Chinese dragon. So what Isaiah would be saying is that these nations that were predators, Assyria, Egypt, and the like, and those nations that were often prey, Israel, Judah, Syria, Phoenicia, they will no longer be in that conflict, but they will live at peace with each other. The imagery paints a beautiful, warm picture of peace as the lamb and lion lie down together, as the nursing child plays, as a little child leads them. This little child probably represents, if these are nations, the nation of Judah.